Hello everyone, welcome back to ITKaksha. Today we will be knowing how we can write the command in Python program. Okay, so let me write a quick program. Okay, very simple one. Okay, so I have just created one commands.py file here. Okay, and let me collapse it so that you can see our code better way. And let me do this thing print and I just say, hey, welcome back to IT. Okay, if you guys do not have subscribed my channel till now, so you can go back and subscribe my channel. Okay, so this is very simple program. Okay, just understand what I'm saying here. Okay, so if I run this thing, it's just simply printing the statement. Okay, welcome back to IT. Okay, now what will happen? Think about you are writing a 10,000 line of code, or it could be more than that, 20,000 line of code, and you are working in a software firm. Okay. After a certain period of time, you leave that particular project, you go to some other project, and some other developer is supporting that project. So how you will explain what exactly your code does? Okay. One way is to create a documentation, but that documentation cannot be very lengthy one, right? You cannot explain everything in that. You can do that, but it will be like a time consuming, right? So here, the most of the programming language, including Python, gives you option to write the commands. So write command wherever you want to communicate to the other programmer, other coder, that okay, what particular piece of code is doing. Okay, so that will be you can write as a command. Okay, for example, in this case, just we can write printing welcome message. It's just for example. Okay, so what I'm doing is after hash it will be taking all the line as a command. Okay, so what will happen if I run this program? It will not do anything with this line of code. This will be ignored by the program. This line of code will be for the other programmer to tell what exactly this line of code does. Okay. So now your see, in this case, just for example, I have taken this example, but your comment cannot be that obvious, because if you see here, this print statement itself is telling what exactly it is going to do. So you don't have to tell here exactly what this piece of code is doing. Where it can be meaningful, for example, you are doing some cube calculation. Okay, cube equal to n into n. Okay, very simple code I'm just telling you, and you are defining n equal to 10, and then you are printing here print cube. Very simple. Okay, now let me run this program. It's just giving me the 1000 as a result. Okay, so here your command can work out here. So what, see here, it's even though it's very simple one, but it's not necessarily like everybody is understood what your code is doing. Why are you calculating the cube or something? So what you can do is calculating cube of a number. Very simple one. Okay, so here what you are telling is other programmer what the below piece of code, okay, line of code is doing here. Okay, so this is how you can in Python you can define the comments. It can be multi-liner also. Then again you have to do this thing as, and then you put some more comment. Okay, like printing cube of number. Okay, and different area of the code you can write the comment. Okay. So the one thing very important is that it should not be too much actually. Not every line of code you are keep on telling what exactly your line of code is doing. It is basically where it's getting more complicated or more important to tell other programmer what exactly a piece of code is doing. So that should be your way of defining the commands or writing the commands. It should not be, it's a good thing, but too much of good thing also becomes bad actually. So nothing can be too much. Okay, that's it in this video about how we can write the command in Python program. Okay, and if you want to see such kind of videos about Python programming and you want to learn it, then please share and subscribe ITKaksha. Thank you so much.